Okay, folks, this is Barefoot Grandpa, and we're out here in the Ventura Hills. Beautiful spring day. Hills are kind of turning green. Thought it was about time to give you an update on my leg. Well, the leg is healing well. No more brace. Sleeping without braces and heat at night, and starting to work it out a bit. And it's doing pretty well. Still got a way to go on strength, but as you can see, it got me up here all right. We're a long way up from the valley floor. That's Ventura down below Arroyo Verde Park. We are pretty lucky to have this open land and all these gorgeous trails. We're not real green this year because we didn't get much rain, but we're green enough. Wildflowers starting to pop. Got some lupin, a few poppies, a little bit of the wild invasive mustard. Even saw a couple of tumbleweeds, but real pretty, beautiful day. And so I want to thank everybody for your kind wishes about healing, and the leg is doing much better. So that's it for today, and Barefoot Grandpa, we're signing off now. Be good humans and enjoy the wild and protect this wonderful world in which we live.